Which is the best hosting site for starting a new blog? Rayo Win says, the best web hosting website. HostGator hosts over 10 million domains and is one of the most popular web hosts in the industry. With one-click WordPress installation, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 support, it's a smart choice for every website owner. We consider them the best web hosting for businesses. They're offering our readers an exclusive 62% off discount, a free domain name, and free SSL certificate. Pros: plenty of storage. All plans come with unlimited storage, although all your files combined should not be more than 200,000. Flexible terms. Hosting plans can be purchased on 1, 3, 6, 12, 24 or 36 months base. Many programming languages. One of the hosting providers that supports more languages. PHP, Ruby on Rails, Perl and Python are all allowed. Unmetered bandwidth. They don't limit the traffic your site can get. Cons: poor backups. Unless you pay for an add-on, the backup options are very limited. Missing advanced features. For example, you don't get staging areas and it doesn't have a built-in server-side caching system. Unreliable support. At times, I found myself waiting over 30 minutes to be connected with the support team. ESL would recommend HostGator. Grace One says, hi there, selecting a web hosting platform is crucial to the success of any business. You need to select a best hosting solution that offers everything you need to get started. If you are just starting, your traffic will be medium to sluggish, therefore a shared hosting plan would be ideal for you. Choose the finest shared hosting package that provides ample resources. Here are top-tier web hosting providers that offer both plans and the best quality hosting service. Domain Racer. Affordable plans, free SSL and SSD hosting. Bluehost. Top brand, gives little costly plan. GoDaddy. Largest domain and web hosting service. Select those hosting provider which gives following resources in all plan. Cost gain. Select a supplier that offers inexpensive plans that contain all resources and have no hidden costs. The plan's rental cost is likewise reasonable. Security. You can select any plan and provider, but safety is critical. So, select a service that provides a free SSL certificate, a free virus check, firewall security, and protection against hackers and data loss. Site backup. The Jet Backup service is an optional service that provides a completely weekly backup procedure, with backup fees based on your site storage. Bandwidth and storage. Select a service that offers limitless bandwidth as well as SSD storage. Initially, traffic is low, but as time passes, traffic rises, and it manages it smoothly. Uptime. Select a provider that offers that guarantees at least 99% uptime and low breakdown time. Support. Customer service is required for the client 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you appreciate the answer, please upvote it and leave a comment in the section. Alexander Lehman says, to start a new blog I would start with a free option, either from Blogger or WordPress.com. This will give you a platform to get started without any upfront cost, and you can shift to a paid hosting or a paid domain later if your blog becomes successful. Otherwise, any web hosting that includes WordPress as an option is okay, and so is a hosting for Ghostblog if you prefer that. Thanks for watching our video on which is the best hosting site for starting a new blog.